Hello everyone, this is Miss Chawan. In this video, we're going to talk about geometry, which is the chapter 11. We raised chapter 11 within these recording videos, recording lessons. So today I'm going to talk about two of the lessons in chapter 11. Both of them are really easy, but you need to focus on them, please. You need to look at the photos really good and look at some videos, also the books, study at the books, please. Lesson 1 in chapter 11, it's talking about measuring angles. uh, First you need to remember what is angles. Angles, the space between two intersecting lines. When you have two lines, they meet together. In the meeting point, they're going to form an angle. Some of them are small, some of them are an open angle. If you remember in fourth grade, you learn acute angle, a right angle, an obtuse angle. So you know what is angle. This is just for remembering. For measuring the angle, today we have a new tool, a new ruler, to use it for measuring angles. The ruler, or the tool that we use to measure angle, is called protractor. It's called protractor. Protractor. This is the photo for the protractor. Okay, maybe some of you have it, because last year also we learned this lesson, so most of you, I'm sure that you have it. Unfortunately, I don't have it at home. Mine, it's back there at school, and I couldn't even record a video for you using it by myself. So the using of the protractor is easy. Here at the page, I gave you the some of links, like it's like a link for a video. You can use it. It's really useful for you because like I said, I couldn't um, record any video for you by myself because I don't have any protractor here. I'm so sorry about that, but I'm going to promise you that when the schools be open, I'm going to review this lesson using a big protractor on the board. Okay, so before using this video or opening the video, you need to know something else, which is called degree. For all the mathematical like things, we have a unit. For example, for measuring the length, we have meter, kilometer. For measuring the mass, we have kilogram, or gram. For measuring the like liquids, we have liter, milliliter. So here, for measuring the angles, we have a small unit which is called degree. It's this small thing, this small circle here. It's called degree. Like for temperature, you also use it. Saw it when the temperature is saying today is 22 what 22 what. There is a small circle up there. It is called degree. For example, if you have this picture here, this angle, it's 90, but you cannot just say 90. You need to say 90 degrees. So you need this small circle here above the number. Okay. We learned that for measuring the angles, we need a protractor, which is the tool that we use to measure the angles. The protractor, the using of the protractor is easy. Just look at this link below. You're going to learn it. If you have it at home, please try it. I didn't give you any homework in this lesson, but if you want to practice some of the examples, you can look at page 191. There's some examples, number 1 until number 8. The picture is there on the right. Please just look at the picture, measure the picture, and write the answers in 1 to 8. Okay, if you just want to practice. So you need a protractor. Also, degree is unit that to measure the angles. This is the whole thing about how to measure the angles. Okay, so you need to know the angle, the protractor, also degree. All right, let's move on to the next lesson. Lesson 2, circle. This lesson is really important. So please listen carefully and study a lot in it, because there's a lot of stuff in this lesson. It's not just a circle itself. There's a lot of things a part of the circle, some rules, and finding the angles, the unknown angles. So let's start from the circle itself. What is a circle? Circle is a closed plane figure. It's a rounding figure, okay? All of us know what circle. Next, center. The center point inside the circle, which is the name of the circle. Any circle, there have a center, which is here. A point at the center of the circle is called the center. That point must have a name. The name, it's not like my name is Chawan, it's not that much. No, the name, it should be a letter, any letter, okay? So if the center was A, so the name of the whole circle is A, okay? This is center. Next, radius. Radius is a line segment that starts from the center to any point on the circle. Radius is a line segment, it's this line here, starting from center to any point on the circle. Look at, I'm drawing just radius. So in any direction, still radius. In any direction, still radius. So radius starts from the center to a point on a circle, okay? So now you're going to ask me, how can we use these informations? The questions, usually the questions are like this. Name the circle. How can I name the circle? Like I said before, look at the letter on the center of a circle, okay? So at the center of a circle, the letter is A, so the name of the circle is A. So the answer, just circle A. The name is short, just a letter. Number 2, name the radius. If we have more than one radius, you can write more than one radius. Sometimes we have more than one radius, so please write them all. Here I have at the first circle, I have radius AC, radius AC, or you can say CA, it's okay, you can say it in different positions, but it is better if you say from the center to the point on the circle, so A, C, O, C, A, no difference. But you need this small line. Do you see this small line at the top? The small line at the top. You need to write it, because this small line at the top represents the line segment. What is CA? What is CA? Yes, it's a radius, but what is the symbol of the radius? It's a small line at the top. So you need to do that small line. And at the second circle, we have another one. We have AB, radius AB, and a small line at the top. So now you learn two parts of a circle. Part 1, which is center. Part 2, which is radius. So center is useful for knowing the name of the circle. Radius, you need to find the radius by knowing that the radius starts from the center to one point on the circle in any directions. Okay, let's move on to other parts. Chord. It's not chord, it is chord. Chord is the line segment that contacts any 2 points on the circle without passing through the center. Listen carefully again. It's the line segment, it's a line, okay, that contacts any 2 points. It must have a 2 point, but be careful. You can draw it in any direction, anywhere inside the circle, but do not pass it through the center. Do not pass it through the center. So now here I'm going to draw another one. Look at this is a chord. Here I'm going to draw another one. This is a chord, but be careful. The chord cannot pass through the center. Okay, the question. At the question I'm going to say, name the chord just. So the answer at the first one, it is CX, CX or XC, it's okay. And at the second one, I have BH, okay, or HB, the same, all right? So be careful again. You need these small lines at the top. They represent that the radius, the core, or the diameter, they are aligned. They align segments, so you need to do that. The last part of the circle is diameter. Diameter is a chord. It's a chord, it's like a chord that passes through the center of the circle. The only difference between diameter and chord is that chord doesn't pass through the center, but diameter pass through the center. It must pass through the center. Okay? It must pass through the center. So the diameter must pass through the center. Look at the circles. This one is diameter B, N, M, U, the other diameter. I can draw another diameter here, but be careful, it should pass through the center. I can draw another diameter here. Be careful, it must pass through the center. All of these lines are diameter. They touch 2 points on the circle, outside the circle. Also, they must pass through the center. So if you want to learn all the parts, first you need to memorize them, please. Memorize them, bring a paper, draw them on a paper, each one separately, memorize them, and then go to solve the examples. The question on this one, again, I'm going just to say name the diameter. Just name it. So it means just read it. So how to read the diameter? Read it a point to point. So at the first circle we have BN or NB, it's okay. At the second one we have MU or UN, the same. So you answer all the questions correctly. Alright, so we have 4 parts inside the circle: center, radius, chord, diameter. In each one, the question is going to say, name the circle, name the radius, name diameter, name a chord. So look at the picture and find chord, write the 2 letters. Find diameter and write the 2 letter. Find the radius and write the 2 letter. Okay? The homework for this part of the lesson, the circle is 3 parts. So I finished the first part. The homework for the first part, it's page 193, example number 2, 3, 4, 5. The picture, the circle is at the right. So look at the circle and find the name of the circle, find the radius, find the chord, find the diameters, and write them 2 letters and put a small line at the top place. Let's move on to second part in this lesson. For the second part, we have 2 rules. We need to find diameter and radius. Finding diameter and radius. For these 2 rules, we don't need any pictures. We just need to have one of them. For example, the first one, radius equal to diameter divided by 2. So I have a rule. If I want to find radius, I need to have a diameter, so I can divide it by 2. Okay, so look at the example. But first, remember the rule, please. Memorize the rule: radius equal diameter divided by 2, radius equal diameter divided by 2, radius equal diameter divided by 2. Okay, say it 100 times. At the example I gave you, diameter equal to 6 centimeters. Diameter equal to 6 centimeters. Please, can you find the radius? So what should you do? You need the radius. Okay, I have a rule for radius. The rule for radius says diameter divided by 2. I'm going to write the rule. Radius equal diameter divided by 2. Okay, what is diameter? How much is diameter? You have it here at the top. Diameter is 6 centimeters. So just put 6 instead of the diameter and divide it by 2. 6 divided by 2 equals to 3. So the radius is 3 centimeters. Even you don't need to use this stupid rule. Okay, you can just, when you know the rule, you can just do it inside your head, okay, using a mental math. All right, second one, if you want to find the diameter, in this time you need to find the diameter. Okay, diameter equal to radius times 2. It's the opposite. Diameter equal to radius times 2. All right, so remember the rule. Go for the example. The example, it says radius equal to 4 centimeter. Find diameter. Okay, I have a rule for diameter. Here's diameter equal to r times 2. R times 2. What's mean r? Radius. So do you have radius? Yes, it is up here. Radius is 4. So put 4 instead of radius and multiply it by 2 to find a diameter. So always, if the book or the question at the exam gave you the radius, multiply it by 2 to find diameter. If the book or the question gave you the diameter, divide it by 2 to find the radius. And for your information, diameter always is bigger than radius. Diameter, radius. Diameter is always bigger than radius. This is the second part of the lesson. For solving some homeworks in this part, it's again page 193, example 6, 7, 8. Example 6 gave you the radius, find the diameter. Example 7 gives you the diameter, so find the radius. Example 8 gave you the radius, so find the diameter by using the rules. Okay, move on for the third part in the lesson, which is called central angle. Central angle. Let's learn what is central angle. When two radiuses of a circle meet at its center, they form a central angle. Look at this yellow circle here. It says when two radiuses meet at the center, inside them they will form an angle. Inside them they will form an angle. That angle is called central angle. Okay, next line. The measure of central angle is less than or equal to 180. So this angle here, it must be 180 or less, 170, 160, 130, 20, 90, not more than 180. Okay, third information. The sum of all the central angles in a circle is equal to 360. I mean by this, if you have a circle, this is the center, okay? Inside a circle, you have an angle, which is also a circle. This angle is 360 degrees. If the circle was small, or if it was big, no matter. The central angles inside the circle always is 360. So the whole circle is 360. Okay? So you need to memorize this one. the whole circle is 360. Okay, so we learn what a central angle. It must be equal or less than 180, and the central angle of a circle is 360, all of them together. We learn these informations to use it in the examples. So how is the examples and how can we solve it? Let's move on to the examples. Find the unknown angle measure. This is the only type of the example that you have. Find the unknown angle. So I'm going to give you a circle. There's a lot of parts inside it. I gave you most of the parts. Just one of them are missing. It's unknown. So find it. We have two simple way to find the unknown angle. But first, memorize the third information up here, please. Okay. Number one, I have a circle. It have 1, 2, 3, 4 central angles. One of them are missing. This one is missing. Okay. What should I do to find this one? First, add all add all known angles. You have 3 known angles, so add them together. Second, subtract with 360 degrees. Why subtract with 360 degrees? Because we said that the whole circle is 360. So for finding that missing one, you need to minus the other known angles with 360. So you're going to know or find the unknown angle. Solution. Let's use this two step as a solution. Step 1, add all the known angles. How many known angles we have? 3. 40 degree plus 90 degree plus 180 degree equals to 310 degrees. Okay. Second step, let's say, bring this result and minus it with 360. Always bring the result of the addition and minus it with 360. Always bring the result of the addition and minus it with 360. Again, also always the 360 must be the first one because it's the biggest. We don't have a central angle bigger than 360. The whole circle is 360. So 360 degree minus 310 degree equal to 50 degree. So we find the unknown angle, which is 50. Done. Next example, at the same lesson. You have a circle. The circle is four central angles. One of them is 120 degree, one of them is 30 degree, one of them is 90 degree. Use the two steps to find the missing one, to find the unknown one. First step, add all the known angles. Second step, subtracted with 360 degrees. Okay, first step, plus 30 and 90 and 120 degrees, which is all equal to 240. Bring the 240 and minus it with 360. Always the 360 must be at the first. So 360 minus 240 is equal to 120 degree. The unknown angle is 120 degrees. So this lesson was not hard. It's just two simple steps. Add the central angles, bring the answer, minus it with 360. You're going to find the unknown angle. The homework for this lesson, which is page 194, 94, examples 28 to 31. Examples 28 to 31, it is 4 examples. All homeworks is in notebook, please. And you can use example 13 to 23 in the book, page 194, the same page, page 194. Example 13 to 23 for more studying. They are really useful. You can use it because they're talking about naming the circle and finding the radius and diameter. So you can solve it for yourself. You can even solve it in the book. Just the homework must be in the notebook. So stay safe. But wait, I have an activity for you. This activity, please, it's really important. I think of it like 2 nights together. I need you to do this activity for me. So I'm going to explain the activity in English, also in Kurdish, because I need it to be perfect. Because I'm going to use this activity to Miss Susan, and we're going to upload it on Facebook. The activity is using percent to show how much you miss school or your friends or your teachers or lessons, okay, or going to school or anything about the schools. We're going to be the first grade to do this, and it will be really beautiful if all of us, with me, also me, I'm going to record a video um, for this activity, and all of you, I need all of you, please. Anyone can just record a small video for me. I explain the video here. First, bring an A4 paper and decorate it. When I say decorate it, it's mean draw any picture on the side of the paper, or color it, or draw anything you like to show the paper nice and beautiful. So when you decorate it, you need to write inside how much you miss school or friends or teacher or any like that, in 3 different ways. You will learn percent before. You learned before. We learn how to change percent to decimal, also to fractions. I'm going to explain it again. Second, record 4 second video. Please, the video must be 4 seconds, not more than 4 seconds, because I'm going to mix all of the videos in one big video, and then send it to Ms. Susan and upload it on Facebook. So because we are a lot, we are more than 100%, and they must be 4 seconds, 3 seconds or 4 seconds, not more than that, please. Okay, and send it for me via Telegram, not like, I forgot the name, Viber, not Viber. Just send it for me via Telegram, please, because I have the Telegram on my laptop. Okay, and it's much easier to download your videos. It's going to directly go inside the laptop, and I can directly put it in the other program to mix them together. So please send it for me to my Telegram. Okay, and you have a deadline time for this. It is until Saturday, because I need to do a lot of work on it. Okay, we need to as soon as possible. So you have time until Saturday. You have time until Saturday. I'm pretty sure that it doesn't take 15 minutes on your time. It will be really nice from us to send it to Ms. Suzanne. She's going to be very happy when she sees that all of us missing the school, missing her, missing the teachers, missing studying. So please do it. So the paper, the A4 paper must be like this one. I did it here. I decorated with doing a cloud inside it. You can do some stuff here, or any decoration you like. Inside it, you need to write percent, decimal, fraction, just like me, percent, decimal, fraction. How much you miss the school, how much you miss your friends, how much you miss studying. Here I wrote 98. You can write any number you like. You can write any number you like. It is up to your feelings. How do you feel about being that way from school? So write any number here with percent, and then change it to decimal. Change it to decimal is really easy, because percent is mean per hundred. So just put 0 point the number. Just put 0 point the number. So changing it to decimal, it is 0.98. Again, equal. This time change it to a fraction. This one is much easier. Draw a line, put the 100, enter, and your number up. Draw a line, put the 100, enter, and your number up.
Done. And please, when you record the video, you need to be like this girl, this cute girl here. You need to be like this girl. Just hold the paper like this girl, smile, and do not read the number. Do not say, I'm at school, 98%. No. Create a line for me from your own feelings. For example, it must fit 4 seconds. For example, like me, hi, I'm Chawan. I miss school very much. Done. Hi, I'm Chawan. I miss my friends. Done. Hi, I'm Chawan. I really miss Miss Suzanne. Done. This is a couple of lines that you can say. Just tell me one line. Just tell me one line. So hold the paper, smile, and tell me one line. How you feel. On the paper, there is the numbers that the people can see the number, can see how much you miss the school by number. But I need a line. So what do you do? Draw the decorate a paper and write in 3 different ways how much you miss school, and then hold the paper, record 4 second videos saying what do you like, saying a sentence, what do you like. Okay, shortly. You don't need to say in 5A, 5B, 5C. You don't need to say even your father's name. Just hi, I'm Chawan, I really miss school. Done. Okay. Hi, I'm Chawan. I really miss being school. Done. Hi, I'm Chawan. Be safe, please. Just say what a nice sentence from your own feelings, from your own heart and mind. Okay. And here there's a couple of examples. For example, if you miss the school's 91%, 91% equal to 0.91 equal to 91 on 100. This is how to change it. It's really easy. 85%, okay, 85% equal to 0.85 equal to 85 100. One of them, 100%, if your feelings was that much big, 100%, so you need to change the 100% like this one for the decimal. Okay, it must be have just 2 numbers after the point, so it's one, it's the whole one. Okay, and for the fraction, it will be 100 on 100. Any number on itself is equal to 1. So be careful from this one. If you use it, do not make any mistake, because we're going to upload it on Facebook. Okay, let me say encourage. ام اكتيفيتي معناها يشتكي جوان بكين وكو فيديوهاك کە هەمومان بەشداری بکەین یەکەم پۆل ئەبین کە شتێکی وا بکەین بۆ مسۆزان کە دڵیان دڵی زۆر پێخۆش ئەبێت. ئێمە لەم ڤیدیۆیە هەم ژمارە بەکارەهێنین بۆ دەرخستنی هەستەکانمان. هەستمان چۆنە کە ئێمە زۆر دوورین لە قوتابخانە، دوورین لە مامۆستاکان. شەرت نییە تۆ هەر بیری قوتابخانە بکەیت، ئەتوانی بیری مامۆستا، بیری هاوڕەکانە، بیری سعیکردن، بیری هەبوونت لە پۆلە، هەبوونت لە دەرسەکانە. کەواتەوەی کە پێویستە تۆ بۆ منی بکەیت، یەکەم وەرەقێکی A4 بێنە، وەرەقێکی A4 بێنە، بە دڵی خۆت چەند نەخشێکی جوانی لێسەر بکە، نەخشێک لە لێواری وەرەقەکان، چەند نەخشێکی جوان لە چۆنەڵی ناو وەرەقەکە بکە، ڕەنگا و ڕەنگ بێت، بە جوان بێت، و تایە بنووسە کە تۆ چەندێک بیری قوتابخانە ئەەکەیت بە هەستێ شێوەی پەرسەنت و دسمەڵ و فراکشن، کە ئەگەر ڕوونم کردێتەوە لە وەرەقەکەی خۆمە، ئەگەر لە سانە و هەشت بیری قوتابخانەت کرد ئەنووسی 98% دوای ئەیکی بە دسمەڵ، دوای ئەیکی بە فراکشن. کە ئەمە وەرەکە دروست کرد، تۆ چیەکەیت؟ ڤیدۆیەکی 4 چرکەیی بۆ من ڕێکۆرد دەکەی، تکایە با لە 4 چرکە زیاتر نەبێت، کیفایەتە، چونکە ئێمە زۆرین. ئەگەر من دوای هەمویان ئەەکەم بە ڤیدۆیەکی گەورە، نامانوێت زۆر دەربچێت و خەڵک تااقەتی نەبێ سەیری بکە، لەبەر ئەوە 4 سەکەند کیفایەتە کە بۆ منی بکەیت. دووەم گرنگترین شت ئەوەیە کە تۆ پێویستە لە تەلەگرام بۆ منی بنێری. هۆکارەکە شەوەیە کە من تەلەگرام لە لاپتۆپەکەشما هەیە، ئەو بەرنامەی کە ڤیدۆکان میکسەکەم بەیەکەوە لە لاپتۆپەکەیایە، بۆیە زۆر ئاسانتر و باشتر ئەبێت بۆ من، بۆی لێم تێک نەچێت کە ڤیدۆی کێم کردووە، ڤیدۆی کێم نەکردووە، بۆی هیچ کەستانم لێ جێ نەمێنێت. بە تەلەگرام بۆ منی بنێرن، بۆی بتوانم یەکسەر ئەپلۆدی کەمە ناو لاپتۆپەکەمەوە. سێم شت کە زۆر گرنگە هەتاوەکو شەممە کاتتان لەبەردەستایە تکایە کەس دوای ئەوە نینێرێت لە بەروی من داوای لێبوردن ئەەکەم ناتوانم لە دوای شەممەوە کارەکان بکەم. من هەتاوەکو شەممە هەک ڤیدۆیە کە ئەنێرێت خێرایی کەم ناو بەرنامەکەەوە بۆی هی کەسم لێجێ نەمێنێت و پێویستە ڤیدۆکە بە زووترین کات حاضر بکەین و بینێرین بۆ من سۆزان. و دڵنیاشم ڤیدۆکە تەنها 15 دقە لە کاتی ئێوە ئەگەر بگرێت بە دروستکردنی ڕسمەکە و بە چوار چرکی ڕێکۆردکردنەکەشەوە. شێوازی ڕێکۆردکردنەکە وەکو ئەم کچە جوانەی کە لێرەیە وەرەقەکە بەو شێوەیە بگرە دەم بە پێکەنین بە و ڕستەیەک دڵی خۆتا بڵێ هەر شتێکت کە تۆ دڵت پێی خۆشە. من نامێ بۆم بخوێنیتەوە کە بڵێ من لەسەرەوە هەش بیری قوتابخانەکەم. ئەمە شتێکی زۆر جوان نییە لەبەر نووسراوە خەڵکەکە خۆی ئەبینێ کە تۆ لە سایە چەند بیری قوتابخانەکەی. ئامانجێمە لەمە ئەوەیە کە تێکەڵکردنی بیرکاری لەگەڵ ژیانی ڕۆژانەمانە بکەین بە شتێکی ئاسان. ئێمە ئەتوانین ژمارەکان بەکاربهێنین بۆ دەرخستنی چۆنەڵی ئەو هەستانی کە هەمانە. وەرقەکە ئەگری بەم شێوێ بدەم پێکەنینەوە ڕستێک ئەڵێ سڵاو من ناوم ئەوەیە زۆر بیری قوتابخانە ئەەکەم تەواان تکایە بە ئینگلیزی. سڵاو من ئەوەیە من بیری مامۆستاکان مەکەم، من بیری بوون لەگەڵ هاوڕەکان مەکەم، من بیری بوون لە کۆپۆلا ئەەکەم، حەز ئەەکەم زوو داوام بکرێتەوە، حەز ئەەکەم زوو بچمەوە پۆل، حەز ئەەکەم زوو هۆمۆرکی تر هەلکەم. هەر ڕستێک کە تۆ ئەتەوێت کە لە چوار چرکەیە جێی بێتەوە کە وتنی ناوی وتنی سڵاو وتنی ناوی خۆت وتنی ڕستێکی کورت کە لە چوار چرکەیە جێی بێتەوە. وەرەقەکەشت بەم شێوەی خۆم کە وەرەقەکە لێرەیە کردومە بەم شێوەیە بە سێ جۆر تۆ بۆ منی ئەنووسی پەرسەنت دسمۆل فراکشن لەژێر پەرسەنتدا بە شێوی پەرسەنت، لەژێر دسمەڵە بە شێوی دسمۆل، لەژێر فراکشنە بە شێوی فراکشن بۆ منی ئەەکەیت ئەنووسیت بۆ شێوەیە ئەیگریت و ڤیدۆکەم بۆ ڕێکۆرد ئەەکەیت و بۆم ئەنێریت. لەم بەرەش چەندانێکی ترم بەم شێوەیە سێدانی ترم کردووە بۆی بیرتانکەوێتەوە دەرزەکە و مەغەڵەت نەکەن تایە لە بەکارهێنانیا. یارمەتیدەرێکی زۆر باشە بۆ ئێوە و ئەکتیڤیتێکە شتێکی زۆر جوان ئەبێت. هیوادارم بە زووترین کات ڤیدۆکانی ئێوەی خۆشەویست ببینم لە تەلەگرامەکەمە و زۆرترین کەستان بەشداری بکەن بە جوانترین شێواز و دەم بپێکەنین و جوانترین وتنی بەڕاستی زۆر حەز ئەەکەم کە ڕستی زۆر جوان بڵێن. زۆر بە پەرۆشم بۆی بزانم کە چی ئەڵێن چی لە دڵتانایە ئەو حەزانەی هەستان بە چیە ئێستاکە ڕووبات لە ڕستێکی زۆر کورتدا هەوڵ بن کە باشترین وشە بدۆزنەوە بۆ دەربڕینی هەستەکانت بە کەمترین ڕستە لە کەمترین ماوەیە و وەرەقەکەشت بە جوانترین شێوە ژمارەکان بە گەورەیی بە وازحی لەسەری نووسرابێت بۆی بە ئاسانی ببینێت. باشە گیانەکانم هیوادارم زوو بتان بینمەوە هەمووتان لە شتاق و سەلامەت بن. خواتان لەگەڵ.